What's up and welcome to another video. In this video, this is passive income ideas video number 2. And in today's video, I'm going to go over affiliate marketing in a more broad sense than I have in the past. In the past, I've only ever talked about Amazon Associates, and which is Amazon's affiliate network. However, today I'm going to talk about a couple more networks and how you can get started in them. I've dabbled in them. I have not gone full time and put all my energy and money into them, though while doing them part-time just to mess around about a year and a half ago or so, I did find some success in them. And I can also show you ways that you can make money, I guess, quickly on the fly with this whenever people are asking you recommendations for this sort of thing. So that's very vague, I know, but we'll move forward in that and I'll show you what I mean. So first thing we're gonna do is jump into my computer screen, and I'm going to show you my Amazon Associates dashboard and kind of just show a little bit of the money that I make from this, and then we'll move forward into these other two platforms. I will also show in Amazon Associates how to link a product and how you should do this the proper way so as not to look spammy to those people that you're trying to market to. So with that being said, let's get into the computer and I will show you what I mean. All right, so here we are on my dashboard, and you can see right here this graph. It's an earnings overview for the last 30 days. Let's see if I can actually zoom in on that. There we go. So I don't earn an incredible amount from Amazon and Associates. However, it has grown since this time last year. This time last year, I was earning anywhere from like $2 to $2.50 per day with Amazon Associates, and so it's grown a little bit. I'm not sure exactly what my average is, but it's slightly more than what it was a year ago. Mind you, Amazon Associates is something that you put into the back end of your, whether you are an influencer or a video creator, a YouTuber, anything like that. Amazon Associates are links that you provide to people. And then when you say, hey, click the link in such and such a place, and they click the link and they buy from that, then you earn money. Amazon pays you for referring people. They don't charge the customer anymore. They take it out of their own profits, or what would have been their profits, and they give you a small cut for referring. So that is 100% how I make this money. I don't email people. I have no email list with this stuff. It's simply the links that are down in the description of this video. Side note, if you want to help out the channel, check out what we've got linked down below. All right, so we can see right here starting out fees, $467, 0 fees, and it goes on $365. There was a day there was a refund, $1.80. Our best day in December, or within the past 30 days, was $12.26. That's pretty good. Then we have another high day of $6.20, $5.88, $7.39. So pretty good, not terrible. And it also shows you your clicks and ordered items. So this day we had 42 clicks. I'm sorry, it doesn't show ordered items on here. It shows that on a different screen. However, we will just continue with this. Clicks, 514. And so we averaged 10% conversion rate, which in my opinion is pretty good. For 1 out of every 10 people that clicks on something, they buy it. I have heard from other Amazon affiliates that that number is generally lower, anywhere from like the 5 to 6% range. So that's pretty good. If we go up here to reports, we can see this is where it will show us what has sold. And so the way Amazon Associates works is when someone clicks on your affiliate link and they go into Amazon, they are cookied for 24 hours, meaning that Amazon tracks their computer or their device for 24 hours. If they order that thing that you promote, then you get a commission. If they order something else that you did not promote, but they're within that 24-hour period, you still get the commission on the thing that they purchased. So let's say someone clicks on the link in my description to buy Scotty peelers for a few bucks, but then they end up buying a DSLR camera or a television or their groceries or anything, I get commissions on everything that they purchase within the 24 hours. All right, so here's my 30 days, and this actually shows you ordered items. So the gold bar there, or the gold line, ordered item 6, ordered items 3, ordered item 16. So that is that. The shipped items revenue is an interesting number, 1,912. Within the past 30 days, I have directed $1,900 worth of revenue toward Amazon. And what's cool about this too is a lot of the people that are selling the things that I'm promoting as an affiliate, they are small business owners or third-party sellers like myself. And so by me promoting their product, I'm actually helping them make money at the same time. So it's a win-win-win scenario for everybody.
Win, win, win.
They win because they make sales. Amazon wins because they always win. And I win because I get a small commission. The commissions are very, very small, in like 4%, 6% if you're lucky and you know what to promote or you promote certain high-end stuff. And then down here on this bottom section, we can see what items actually sold. So 30 up, easy to peel address labels. There were 236 clicks, 9.75 conversion, and 21 of those were ordered. And it actually shows you, it does not show you. This doesn't show you the price that you get paid, but for ease of numbers, we would just say 4%. And then, so everything that has a number next to it are items that I actually promoted with my links. But then look at all of these other ones. This is the magic right here. All of these other ones are things that I do not promote, but people still ended up buying them by going through my link and then purchasing them separately. I never linked those. I don't know what the Light Bro stainless steel lighter sleeve titanium is. I have no idea. This is pretty cool to see that people are purchasing things outside of the scope of what I'm promoting. Pretty rad indeed. Let's go into product linking. I want to share with you guys how to link products. To link a product, you simply go up to product linking and go down to product links. That's going to open up in another page where you're actually going to search the item out that you want to promote. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, just in this keyword, I'm going to type in eYoYo 1D, and it's going to pull up every listing on Amazon for the eYoYo 1D. I choose to pick the this right here. I believe this is the one that let's open that in another tab just to get a look at the listing. Yes, so this is the one that I promote, and it's 45 bucks. Every time one of these sells, I make $1.80. All I have to do is just put a link somewhere where people are finding it interesting. I made a YouTube video where I reviewed the eYoYo 1D and showed how to use it. I made another one where about books and buying books and selling books on Amazon. And so I've made plenty of sales through there of this. So what you're gonna do is on this right here, you're not gonna click get link because that's gonna give you a massive, messy looking link that is totally spammy. Instead, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the drop-down menu and you're gonna say shorten URL, and that is gonna be your affiliate link. You're gonna highlight it. For me, Command C, and now it's copied. I can put that link in any video. I can put it in the link tree of my Instagram account, which I have already done. And that is how I make money with Amazon Associates. Let's jump into two other affiliate networks that you can use to make affiliate sales if you have an audience or a reach, okay? And I will explain both of those. So the next affiliate network that we're gonna talk about is called CJ. It used to be called Commission Junction. Now they just call it CJ at cj.com. So for me, you're gonna see here, I have 0 commissions, 0 sales as far as yesterday. I think like this whole entire year of nothing. No commissions, no sales, no leads, no clicks, no impressions because I'm not promoting anything on here. Here is why I'm showing you this. There are endless opportunities on this website for you to make money passively. Let's say the number one thing that I think is really enticing about this is Bluehost or HostGator. It's one of those. I think it's HostGator. And so HostGator pays out $75 per sign up that you get for that. So let's say you know how to create WordPress websites. You can make tutorial videos. Let's say you make a 1-minute video on Instagram. I'm actually like thinking this through and it's totally awesome. You make a 1-minute video on Instagram and you've filmed it and you beautifully edited it, and it's 1-minute websites using WordPress. And at the end of the video, you just say, hey, in my link tree is a link for HostGator. Hosting starts at $3.95 or whatever their promotion is at that time. Someone goes and clicks on it, they sign up, boom, you make 75 bucks. It's literally that easy. So let's look up advertisers. We're going to go up here and type in HostGator. Let's see if they're still in here. I have not been on this website in literally months. Okay, so HostGator is still here. Networks to earning is a 4 out of 5. Sale is $75. So once you're in here, if you go to the right, you click the links, get links. I'm not sure that I'm actually still a part of this affiliate network. Okay, so you would go down here, you would click on one of these things, get code or get links. You cannot run ads. You can't run Facebook ads. You can't run Google ads. You can't run Bing ads. You can't use the name of the companies. It's very, very strict. And so it takes a little bit of research and work around to be able to provide these links to people in order to make the sale. But if you're willing to do that and you're willing to put in the work, remember passive income or residual income is all about putting in tons of work up front so that you can sit back and relax later on. All right, so that is a brief overview of CJ. The next one we have is ClickBank, and you're gonna see that I have $0 through all of these too because I don't do anything on here anymore. I did a couple of years ago. Made some pretty good sales, but it cost me a ton of time, a ton of research, and a substantial amount of money starting out. The method that I'm going to share with you, I would recommend that you do not do unless you have some money to put into it. $500 minimum would really be the thing for the method that I'm going to show you. So basically, this is your dashboard. You can see I've not sold anything in months because it's been like 2 years, like I said. But you would see your income, revenue right here in daily sales. What we're going to do is go up here to the top and we're going to click on Marketplace. All right, so once you're in the Marketplace, this is where you would find those. These are actual products. Most of these are either digital products or some of my guess are physical products, but most of them digital. There was one that I got really, really sharp with, and that was a woodworking program. I guess 60,000 ways to work wood. And here's the cool thing. If you're sharp about it, and if you have the mind of a marketer, you can work around, you can advertise this stuff for free on Pinterest. There is, like I said, workaround to get to there. If you have a blog, going in about your blog is an incredible thing to do. Let's talk about making money on Instagram. Let's say you have a woodworking Instagram account where you just simply show all of the work of other people that do great work working wood. You can literally pull other people's content, give them credit in the comments, and start building community that way. Commenting on other people's posts about woodworking. Build up that community with as little as 1,000 followers on Instagram. You plug this woodworking blueprint, whatever, you will make money. And I want to say it's like $30 or $40 per sale. In this categories column, you can see everything from film and television to humor, music, as seen on TV stuff, business and investing. There is cooking, there are games, there's fiction. Whoops. Yeah, there's like so many categories that you can jump into. And once again, whenever you go and sign up for this, it's a simple, create a user account, and then you're in there. There's tutorial videos that go deeper on YouTube, but also ClickBank has what they call ClickBank University, where they have their own videos that show you the very best way to market those. I do plan on doing more stuff with especially ClickBank and those programs that it offers. But for now, Amazon Associates is my choice. Hey, if you guys like this video, I sure would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, consider doing that, as I am bringing videos every day to you. I hope you enjoyed video number 2 of passive income ideas. Check out the playlist in the coming days to see what other videos we have. I'll see you guys on the next video.